Looking for professional, reliable, and top-rated electricians? See why customers love Positive Electricians.
First time using this company, amazing customer service and very professional work.
Extremely professional and skilled team. Best electricians I've worked with in 15 years of home ownership.
10 stars. The electrician was incredible, quick, professional, and truly cared. Highly recommend.
Thrilled with their work during my home remodels. They understood my vision, gave great advice, and delivered perfection.
Amazing service. They completed the job perfectly. I'll definitely call them again.
Had my EV charger installed, smooth process, fair pricing, and even followed up to make sure everything was working perfectly.
Become one of the many satisfied customers who rely on Positive Electricians for all their home and business electrical needs. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes at Positive Electricians? Let's take a quick tour. Our day starts early, with a team meeting where we discuss the day's projects and ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, our electricians gear up, checking their tools and equipment to make sure everything is in perfect working order. Safety and precision are our top priorities. Out in the field, you'll see our team working diligently, whether it's installing new wiring, performing routine maintenance, or troubleshooting complex electrical issues. We also invest in continuous training and development for our team, ensuring they are always up to date with the latest technology and safety standards. At the end of the day, it's all about delivering exceptional service and building lasting relationships with our customers. Join us on this journey and experience the Positive Electricians difference for yourself. Call us today, 844-411-0240. Email us, info@positiveelectricians.com. Visit us, www.positiveelectricians.com.